Welcome back to the channel, YouTube subscribers. No intro. Gotta do what I gotta do. Running low on time, so I couldn't get home. So I'm gonna try a new method today, and that is uploading a video straight from my phone. Don't know how well it's gonna work, but we're about to find out. So, if most of y'all follow me on Facebook and Instagram and whatsoever, today is the day that I reveal our new car. A lot of y'all guessed. I seen Nick Napier, that guy. He's something else, but he hit it spot on. He got it dead right. Here we go. Check it out. Like, share, comment. Let me know what you think about it. A little shake going on. Sorry for the quietness. Like I said, I couldn't make it home, so I'm giving y'all the best I can do for the time being. It's mainly just a showcase video anyways. Let's get some power on this bad boy. That's already on. Check that out. Watch how good this door shuts. Like a stock car, baby. Oh yeah. Oops, I forgot to put the Zeus fasteners in up there. Pop this thing off for y'all. Pop it off for y'all real quick. Some lights right there. Show you up on the bottom. Yeah. Hasn't been started since this morning, but it is primed up. I made sure to do that. Let's see what we got. So yeah, that's what it is. I just hubbed down at this thing. Spin y'all back around. I hubbed down on this thing last night. Shout out to Modern Racing. Got there at like 7 p.m. or something like that, and ended up leaving at like, I want to say 12. Got home at like 3. Gotta do a few little knick-knack things, but I mean, y'all really got to see it in person. It's a work of art. 10 Soldiers race car is actually built the car for a guy. I ended up buying it from a guy. It was a ultra street car with a Pro Charger, but I took that out, went with a bit block NOS combo. It's a 648. I'm gonna run X275. DJ or me, we haven't decided yet. One of us driving, but haven't went to the track yet. It only left the shop a few times. The car actually, I mean, got built. You know, I finished the wiring, did pretty much everything right here in Pat's shop. Shout out to Robert Hayes. He got a lot of things done that I couldn't do, like welding specific tabs, all that little knick-knack stuff. But at 275, guys, we coming, and we coming hard. I mean, it's probably gonna be the only notches combo left out there besides Jason Hickle and Dean Marinas, well, Michael Hawes and Shane Hickle. But besides that, man, it's dying. I could have stayed Pro Charger, but I decided with DJ and my pop. I mean, our roots is nitrous. Let's stick with it. Now, if these notches, you know, prices keep increasing, we ain't gonna have a choice but to go boost. But for the time being, we're gonna try to keep it strong. And I didn't put in a month or two of work to be, you know, running in the back of the pack. So with that being said, we are coming to be front runners, and I mean that. So stay tuned. I will be posting some testing videos and the hub dyno, and let me know what y'all think about it.